I'm going to show you guys how to make the Shahi Tukda. It's a very famous Indian dessert and it's pretty simple. We boil the milk and boil it and we reduce a little bit. We add some cottage cheeses like a paneer, Indian cheese, or if you don't have that, you can use reduce like a condensed milk. You can add, or you have the if you have the milk powder, you can use the milk powder too, and a little bit cardamom powder. Don't forget that, just like a pinch of it. And we have fried bread. We cut the bread. We cut into four, and we fried them. And I toast with a little bit sugar syrup. I made the sugar syrup here. That's the sugar syrup. I toast with that these breads, and after that we're gonna arrange these breads here nicely. And so very lightly toast with the sugar syrup so that it will be not too sweet. And when you pour the mixture on top, so then it's gonna soak that too. So the milk is also already a little bit sweet. So when you put the condensed milk, it's bring the sweetness from there. And the kids love this dish, and it's pretty simple. You can cook at home. You know, you always have the sliced bread at home, so why don't you make something different for your kids, and they get excited too, you know. So here is the reduced milk here. We're gonna pour on top of that, and after that you can keep in your cooler. You can serve hot or cold. It goes very well with the both ways. So alright, there you go. And now what I'm gonna do, I have some chopped cashews and raisins. You can put that, whatever nuts you have, walnut or pistachio or anything you like to add, you can add in there. It's ready, and I hope you'll enjoy. Let me know how it comes. Thank you for watching.